Hello, I'm Alec Hogg, and this is The Rational Perspective. Last year, there were two big stories in the South African market. The one was, of course, the collapse of the oil price. But when it comes to individual shares, the other big story was Pinnacle Computers, a company that had been going for 21 years, uninterrupted profit record. It had gone from 3 cents a share at one point to over 25 Rand a share, a stock that the IT specialist Ernest Kaplan said was his pick. And then disaster hit. In March last year, the South African Police Services took a allegation that Pinnacle had tried to bribe one of its officials. That knocked the share price sideways, a share price that had benefited over the years from a higher than anticipated operating profit margin. The skeptics said there must be something in the allegations. Where there's smoke, there's fire. The skeptics said, now we know why Pinnacle is making above the odds operating profits. The consequence of this, though, was very different. Those allegations have been withdrawn. The gentleman who worked for the police services who made them in the first place has left. The director who was allegedly fingered there, Sam Shivase, who'd been with Pinnacle since 2003, has been exonerated and continues to do his job. And today, financial results were released by the company that shows that its revenues, in fact, are rising rather than falling. It just shows sometimes you need to be calm in a period of storm. What goes on with Pinnacle in the future will depend a whole lot on the product mix that they're able to put together, or whether they're able to sell more of their new products, whether their acquisition of just under 35% of Datacentrics it turns out to be inspired or a burden. But right now, those fraud allegations are something very much of the past. And today's investors who have a long-term horizon and like the other things about the company should bear that in mind. This is Alec Hogg with A Rational Perspective.